Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Teresa and this is Teresa's Life Budgeted, and today we are working on our water wars. I'm super excited. Last time we were in here, we finished our first person. First one to go was Brittany from Budgeting with a Ginger, and we saved $35 in her savings. But this is a list of everyone who collaborated for the water wars, so if you're interested, go ahead and take a screenshot, or it'll also be sitting here on the side for the duration of us playing today. But yeah, it's a super fun collab. Never too late to still start it. It's a freebie on each lady's coffee. They created the game board and a couple of game pieces to let us know where to go. Basically the same version of our snowball fight that we played this winter. But if you have been playing, or if you've already finished, let me know down below how much did you save, or how much are you hoping to save. But either way, let's go ahead, pull our first card, and see where we're going to start today. We're going to start with Sassy Ginger Budgets. So I think she's towards the back here, yeah. And we're rolling a D4 to see where we're going to go. All right, let's go ahead. Let's go with a hot pink today. 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Hit some water balloons right off the bat. So she is not going to get hit with anything just yet. Next, we're going to jump to Saving with Tiffany. Where are you at, Tiffany? There she is. She's got a lot left. We've only done one on her so far. 2. 1, 2. So $1. I don't think I said it yet, but I brought $50 in to play with today. So 2, 1, 2. We're going to roll a D4. 3. All right. 2, 1, 2. Okay, hit some water balloons. Looking like it might be a day of a lot of bouncing around. Next, we're going to go to BossBabeBudgets 777. And let's see, 2, 1, 2, $3. Next, we got a 1. Oh, hit ourselves some water balloons. That one is close to being crossed off. 1. Oh, no, you got to pull a card, Teresa. All right, next we're going to go to Save with Glow. Where is she? Oh, back 1, okay. 2, 1, 2. Go back 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3. Do we have anything left after that? Yes, we have the D4 on there. And we're to, oh my goodness. These darn triangles, they're hard to hold on to. 3. 1, 2, 3. Is that our last one? It is. Okay, we're finishing this one. We're going to roll a D4. We got a 1. Okay, so let's add it up and see what we got for Save with Glow. So she is our second one out. I'm amazed we have anybody out just yet, but all right. And we've got 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, $30. I am going to switch these out for a 10 because I've got some buyback money over here. So $30 for Save with Glow. Nice. And she was our second one out. So $30 and second. And we'll write it on here too. All right. She's been written on our board. Awesome. It's so funny because we've got some people, or at least one person, we haven't even made it to their board yet. And then we've got 2 people out already. Oh, getting ahead of myself. I just want to make double sure. Go back and go back. Okay, yeah, that was it for her. So we'll pull that one out. And if we find the other one, we'll pull it as well. So next we're going to jump to Sharla Mae Budgets. There she is. She's still got a lot to go. So 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Water balloons right off the bat. So next we're going to go to Becca Budgets again. So that'll be our second and final time on her board today. Let's see, we left off right here. So 2, 1, 2. Rose fell, step over her, and goes 3 spaces. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So we got a 4. So let's put 1 back and grab one of our 5s. 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we hit some water balloons again. So that is going to be it for Becca today. Next, we're going to go to Lift It Up and Living. There she is. We got a couple of them left on hers. We got a 1 though, so we hit the water balloons right off the bat. Nope. Why do we keep rolling? I got to pull another one. Next, we're going to go to Mint Dough Co. I think this is like the most we have bounced around, friends. But that's always fun too. Mint Dough Co. There we go. 3. We weren't here yet, right? No. 1, 2, 3. So we got $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2. Okay, some water balloons. And we're going to go to BrzysBudgets. With her cute little otters. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3. So let's put 2 of those ones back and grab a 5. A 1. So we roll a D4. That's $2. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, hit some water balloons. Next, we're going to go to Anna Banana Budgets with her little Tamagotchi. I always feel like I have more than one. All right, where are you at, Anna? There she is. We've only crossed 1 off on her so far. 3. 1, 2, 3. So $3. 3 again. 1, 2, 3. And we hit the water balloons. So we're going to go to Save with Glow, but we actually aren't because she's already out. So we're going to pull that. And we're going to go back to BrzysBudgets. Yeah, there you are, B. Okay. Where did we leave off? Right there. 2. 1, 2. For $1. 3, 4, 5. Or for $1. And then we're going to put these 4 ones back for another 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we hit the same pile of water balloons. All right, that is like the worst squiggle in a corner, but whatever. Next, we're going to go to Sharla Mae Budgets. Now that we're starting to get stuff, you know, crossed off, we've got more water balloons we can hit. All right, we left off right here. So 3, 1, 2, 3 for $1. We did do hers already, right? I just hit a water balloon right off the bat. I gotta double check, make sure I've already been to hers today. Yep, I was. Okay, we just hit the water balloons. So 1. And then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got a D3 for our little guy here. And we got a 4, so we're gonna roll till we get 3 or less. Nothing but 4s. Oh no! I wrote on my bowl. Darn it. All right, we got 3. I'm so mad at myself for that. And I don't know why I just wiped it there. I moved it. All right, 3, 1, 2, 3. Water balloons. Okay. It was bound to happen sometime that I'd write on it. Oh, stop rolling the dice, Tracy. You haven't pulled a card yet. Pink Plum Budgeting. I think that's who we haven't been to yet. Yep, she has not gotten anything on her board yet. This is our first time here. 3. 1, 2, 3 for $1. A 1. Go back 2 spaces. 1, 2. Okay, well, she's holding strong. She wants that first place winner. So next we're going to go to Blue Kiwi Budgets. Up here in the front. Got a 3. 1, 2, 3 for $1. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 for $2. 3. 1, 2, 3. Roll a D8. Okay, nice big one. 7. 5, 6, 7. Okay. We'll go again. We got 3. 1, 2, 3 for $2. So I have $1 left. Let's see what happens. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We hit a water balloon. And we're going to go to Saving with Tiffany, her little Snoopy savings. And where did we leave off? We hit that water balloon. 2. 1, 2. Go to start. Okay. Does that just mean I hit a water balloon? We're going to say we just go to the start and we start again. That's what we're going to try. We're going to give her a roll. 3. 1, 2, 3. A 3, but we can't do it, so she just gets my $1 and I don't cross anything off. All right, let's go through and see what we got. This is by far the most I think we have done, about half of them. And we did finish our Save with Glow, so who knows, friends? It could be anybody next time, but let's go ahead. I've got some buyback money here, and we will see what we've got. And for Blue Kiwi Budgets, we've got $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12 for her today. Let me move my cards out of the way. And what does that put us up to? Ooh, we got a 20. 2 tens for a 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, $25. Keep all them ones out of there. Nothing for Dawn Sunrise Budgeting today. Anna Banana Budget, she got $3. And that makes $5 for her. Not too much just yet there. Sharla Mae Budgets got $4. So let's grab one more 1. And she now has $15. Budgeting with a Ginger, she was our first one out. Saving with Tiffany, got $1, 2, 3, 4, $5. And that puts her at $5, 6, 7, 8, $9. Long ways to go on hers. Nothing for Crisscross Budgets. She's one of the few people who didn't get anything today. $4 into Mint Dough Co. So she now has 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Getting close there. Our Lifted Up in Living, she did not get anything today. Save with Glow went out as our second person out. Becca Budgets got $7. That's funny. Becca Budget 777, and she got $7. So now we have 10, 15, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, $26. Pink Plum Budgeting got her first $1. And that was it. She said, no thank you. I'm holding out for first place. BrzysBudgets got 2 5s for a 10. And we now have 10, 15, 20. Ooh, I had some smaller bills in there. 25, 26, $27. Sassy Ginger Budgets. We did visit her, but we didn't give her any money today. And Punky Pennies, we did not even come see her yet today. But alrighty, friends, that's going to do it for us on our Water Wars. We got our second person out, Glow. Good job, Glow. $30 in savings. But alright, friends, that is going to do it for us today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.